Good morning, folks. We are back here at Good Shepherd. I've been running since I got here just because I had a bunch of things I had to do. Want to knock out as much as I possibly can before I have to go pick up the U-Haul and then go get the TVs. So this is what we've done so far. I've made the connection to the Smart Video Hub, and I have more than enough cable. I thought I didn't have one long enough, so once I get this done, I'm gonna reconnect this because I spliced two cables together, and this cable is long enough that I don't need it. So that's for TV number one. We have the cable over here for TV number two. We have the mounts. We have this pass-through that I was telling you about. So that would be pushed into the wall, so it should be able to clear the back of the screen. Then there's my pass-through, and then there is another plate right here that we put at the bottom for the Ethernet cable. And I need to see about that. Here is that cable wire that does not stick to this carpet. But like I said, I had a feeling that this wouldn't, but the carpet up there is. So let me get up here real quick. Also, I was trying to do the software updates remotely, and I don't know why Windows does this. They've been doing this for years. They have a power setting that will automatically turn off the screen after 5 minutes and turn the computer off after 10, which I think is stupid. I always turn that off, but that's what, I guess an update made that change. So I was able to upgrade one computer, but I didn't get a chance to upgrade the other. So here, this carpet, there's the cables, and hopefully, yay, this does work. So this is what I'm going to use to conceal the cable coming up here. Or I could loop it through these banisters there. I don't know. It could go either way. The fact this does work up here, so that's good. And like I said, here's the other one. I'll probably put that wire cover here, since more foot traffic is right here. And then, like I said, I spliced, where's it at? So I did this here, not thinking the cable is long enough, but it is. So I'm just gonna disconnect this, get back and connect it directly so it's one continuous run. And that's it. I'm gonna try to get down here and make a few pilot holes just to see where those studs are. And like I said, worst case scenario, while I have the van, I picked the van up near Lowe's, so probably get 2 pieces of lumber or something like that, maybe just one long one, and then cut it into the 4 pieces that I need, because I really don't want to make holes in here. So the idea is, see where that nail hole is right there, that's something. And then find the other one. I'm gonna take that bracket off so I can reach around to see where everything is. There's no vents connected to that because I remember being up here, it's not there. So reach around, see where a stud is, and the idea is I can brace that 2x4, 2 of the 2x4s across, and it'll hide behind the TV, because the TV should be right here in the center of these 2 vents. You won't see that, but that will give me the bracing to keep the TV in place. We'll do the same thing on this other side, and I think I might try and make holes in the wall for this right here to put the plates up. That's what I'm thinking. Yeah, because I have the other power switch that's going to sit here. It's going to go on the opposite side. I left the first one over here. The other one came in with the rest of the stuff. And I'm going to try and put up the mount right now, and I left my tape upstairs. But anyway, trying to put the template so I know where I need to look for mounting holes. So we'll go from there. All right, folks, we are in luck. I made this little hole right here, and when I reach in about right here, there's a beam all the way across. So the top of my mount is gonna screw into that. That's more than secure, and I'll put some toggle bolts in the bottom, and that will secure this. So yay! Let me actually do that, and then I am gonna head out to pick up the U-Haul and all that other fun stuff. So let me put this template up here. We mark the holes that we need, make the holes for the toggle bolts that I got right there for the bottom, and then we are gonna be good to go. All right, mount number 1 is done. Took a little bit longer than I thought. I should have wore a short sleeve shirt. I said it was like 50 degrees, but I'm running around. But anyway, we got one done, got the other one to do, but I am heading over to pick up this U-Haul, then head across town, Best Buy, come back over this way, drop the TVs off, take the U-Haul back, come back here, go to Lowe's, pick up some other supplies, and then get this TV hung. I need to see where my help is. Haven't heard from him. But anyway, let's get on the road. All right, folks, I am beyond tired and I am running short on time. There was something going on downtown that kind of threw my time off while driving back to get the rental van here and back. But anyway, got TV mounted. I don't have an extension cable for this side, but I do have this one up, and as you can see, we got a signal. Everything is connected on the other side. I just don't have an extension to be able to reach it. So yeah, I flipped up to the same image just to make sure everything is working. So we're good to go. I'm trying to clean my mess up as best as I can because I have a hard stop here because people are waiting here for me to finish because they're staying beyond their typical time. So I'm trying to be mindful and respectful of their time and them staying over. So I will be back. I know I'm not going to be able to be back tomorrow, but we do have everything here configured, all this other fun stuff. So sorry I didn't get a chance to record as much as I normally would. Just so much stuff ended up happening. So I need to hurry up and shut down so I can come back here and get everything done. And we'll be back to finish configuring everything. I know I'm gonna be in Atlanta on Tuesday. I might be able to come back here Monday if somebody's here. Hey, so doing good. So let me talk to Alan real quick and then we'll be back when we finish the rest of this stuff.